This is a modern classic design. When my client approached to me, she likes white, sleek. They need more storage and spacious.
I told him that I just want something very simple. I need space. Space is so important. That's the reason why I had to hack down this wall to make the space more spacious. Because I think if I just didn't hack the wall, then I would not have my so-called dream home. So I'm very happy with the layout. The colors, actually very simple. As you can see, I don't have many things on the wall. I just like it very, very sleek.
Actually, we know each other quite long, 2 years ago, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so understand the deep her lah, and even the family members.
I'm very, very happy with his work, with all the storage that he has given me, and I can say that I'm a very satisfied client.
We use a filter panel to hide the beam and hide the bedroom door, toilet door, and create the sleek and modern feel. Okay, there's another important features. I want to talk about the layouts. We had away one of the bedroom to create the living, and the original living space we turned into dry pantry with the huge island. We don't want to use original dining table, so we use island as a traditional dining table. Another highlight feature at the master bedroom, we use glass panel, glass door to highlight the master toilet. When we talk about settee, actually the depth of the settee, actually normally we keep about 500 or 600. Instead of a settee, we create a day bed. For the homeowner's daughter, when she comes back from overseas, at least there's another bed for her to sleep.